Alright everybody, as you guys can see, it is time for another massive sneaker haul today. And there are some fire sneakers in here, guys, so I'm super excited to open up. So stay tuned because that will be coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker unboxing video today. And I'm really excited to unbox them with you and show you guys exactly what we picked up. But before we do that, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Manscaped. Manscaped is the only men's brand dedicated to below the waist grooming and hygiene. And it's actually a really dope concept because I remember when I was younger, I thought that body grooming was like a weird thing. And I didn't want to go to the store to get a groomer because I felt like a little bit embarrassed about, cleaning up in that area. Which I know now is actually a really good thing. So I think that's really dope that Manscaped is making it like affordable and easy to cop groomers and stuff online. And what's actually really dope is that Manscaped sent over their newest product, which is right here, the Lawnmower 3.0. Very nice packaging right here. And when I take this out over here, it says right there, I don't know if you guys can see that. That's pretty cool. The Lawnmower 3.0 by Manscaped actually has a very quality ergonomic design as well as quality ceramic blades up here. And they also have this thing called advanced skin safe technology, which means no nicks or snags guaranteed, guys. I would highly recommend that you guys pick up the Perfect Package 3.0 on the website though, because not only does it come with the Lawnmower 3.0, but it also comes with other really nice stuff like this leather bag over here and a couple of other stuff that you guys can use for your grooming and your hygiene and whatnot. They have stuff like the Crop Preserver and also the Crop Reviver, all really great products and stuff, and it all comes with that Perfect Package 3.0. And because you guys are subscribers, you guys actually get a great deal today. Because Manscaped is hooking up the Untied Ohana with 20% off your order, as well as free shipping, as well as 2 free gifts when you guys order the Perfect Package 3.0 today and use the code Hawaii20. I will link that in the description below. Really easy, just go to Manscaped and use Hawaii20 at checkout and you guys will get all of those great perks. So thank you to Manscaped for sponsoring this video, and let's get into the sneaker unboxing now. So like I said, 4 boxes here today, man. I'm gonna be opening up, I think this one first because I think it's the oldest package we have actually. So what we actually have over here is a huge Yeezy 500 box. I know I just made a video talking about how I'm not having any Yeezys in 2020, but this shoe is not for me. Something that I wanted to check out up close and personal though, because this is a pair of the Yeezy 500 highs in the slate colorway, man. And I know this came out kind of a while back, but this package actually got lost and I had to go track it down, but it got here, so that's what's important. Anyway, this is my first time seeing it in person, and honestly, first impressions are this doesn't look that bad, man. I know I talked in that Yeezy video a lot that the 500 model is actually my favorite model, so if I was to pick up another Yeezy, it would be this one. The Adidas bottom is better than those other bottoms that I was like going on a rant about in that video. And the colorway and stuff on this doesn't look that bad. It actually looks like a really comfortable sneaker. If you guys haven't seen this before, this is what the Yeezy 500 slate looks like. It is in a high version, but it does still have that same 500 sole on the bottom over here. Just like its low counterpart, it does have a mix of different materials up here. Does make for a really unique design and very comfortable kind of look. I'm actually really impressed with this one, man. It's a good winter looking shoe, you know? We will see though. I do want to try to like just put it on feet and see how comfortable it is. And if it does end up being good, then we might see it in the collection. If not, check out the channel memberships because it'll probably be on there. So that is shoe number 1. Shoe number 2, actually this isn't a shoe right here. I don't know how this one got in here, but let's open it up. If you guys watched the last sneaker unboxing video, I actually picked up an Adidas Pokemon collab, and this is, I think, the counterpart for that collab. This one is a black tee instead. So you guys see over here, it does say Adidas Pokemon, and on the back, I don't really like this, but it does say Pokemon Trainer, so for the diehard Pokemon fans, that's pretty cool. But what I really thought was very nice about this one is that on the 3 stripes over here on the sleeves on both sides, it does have a whole bunch of Pokemon running down the sleeves, which I think is super, super sick, man. They've got a whole bunch of evolutions, the starters, Pikachu, Meowth, Ghastlies. I mean, it has a lot of different Pokemon in there, and I thought that was just a really like neat little thing, so I decided to pick it up, man. All right, so these next 2 shoes I'm very excited about actually, because these are both personal pairs for myself. And we'll start off with this one right here, which is obviously a Nike box because it has the tape on there still. 2020, Nike's still doing this stuff with their tape. I don't get it. Man, this box is sick too. Okay. So we got a unique box up in here, man. This is a really fire box, actually. Check that thing out, guys. It has like a two-tone kind of design on here, which is really nice. This is a Jordan 3 though, in a size 10.5. Oh, unique paper too. That's kind of cool. Wow. Oh, okay. Wow. These are nice in hand, man. Wow. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. If you guys don't know what this shoe is, this is actually the Jordan 3s that just released. It was a shock drop. I'm calling them the red cements for obvious reasons. They look exactly like the black cements except red. And some people are calling them the fire reds or the unites. I think red cement works better, so let's just call it that. Jordan 3 red cement. It does have that black cement kind of vibe over here, but instead of the black, we have a red running throughout the shoe. Everything on the shoe does look sleek and clean. It does have the Nike Air on the back over here, and also comes with red and white laces. Might actually look better with the white laces, I'm not sure. But what I really liked about this shoe is it's actually reminiscent of two other sneakers that come to mind, which is one, the Supreme Dunks that you guys see over here. Those look very similar to this, if you guys ask me, man. It looks very, very close. So I thought that was kind of cool. Iconic sneaker over there. Additionally, somebody else told me that this one actually looks very close to the Khalids, which when I looked at it closer, yeah, I mean, it's kind of right. It does look very similar. So I think this is like a good shoe to have. And not only just because it looks like other iconic shoes, it's just standalone. This could be an iconic sneaker, man. So if you guys can pick this up on All-Star Weekend, highly recommend it, man. I don't think that the resale is like popping off on these things, but who knows, down the road, these might actually end up being worth quite a bit of money. So personal, resale, whatever it is, try to get your hands on these. They're nice sneakers. And so we have gotten to the end, and this is the one that I am most excited for because this one is a personal pair and by far the most expensive sneaker that we will be unboxing today. Oh man, I am excited over here. I am excited right here, man. Silver Nike box. You guys might have seen this one around before because this one is a pair of, ooh, man, these are fire in hand. I like this a lot. You guys know what this is. Dunk Low Off-Whites in the pine green colorway. Obviously, you have to get the green, man. I'm all about that Hawaii green. And in the last mail time, you guys can still see that back there. Haven't hung it up, man. I'm still trying to figure out how to hang it, actually. But we got the UH logo sent by the homie Chris Alvarado. So matches really well with that, dude. I think so. So this was the shoe that released, I believe, in December. One of the last off-whites of the year in 2019. And just a really interesting kind of sneaker. It does have that off-white vibe with the tag up here, obviously. Has the off-white branding on the side. I'm not a huge fan of off-whites. There's a couple that I like the Prestos and the Blazers. But honestly, this was one of my probably top 5, I would say, on the off-whites out of anything they've ever created. Green being my favorite color, I was like a must cop for me. So this one will be going into the personal collection, guys. Really fire pickup, and I'm just really excited that it looks great in hand. So that is actually it, man. A lot of nice sneakers in here today. Really excited to get a couple of those on my feet. So you guys will be seeing those in like upcoming Instagram posts and whatnot. Follow me at Untied Hawaii if you guys want to see the on-feet pictures. A lot of these will be worn, that's why almost immediately. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, check out Manscaped, linked in the description below. 20% off, free shipping, 2 free gifts. You guys can't go wrong, man. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots!